What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be opening my PS4 that I just got for Christmas. Oh, by the way, guys, Merry Christmas. Go down and yeah, like and subscribe, and yeah, let's start opening this bad boy. Just got it for Christmas. So, yeah, I'm pumped. Okay, so we got hookup stuff. Just put that there. We got a plug-in for it right here, and we got charger. Then we got our bad boy controller. Beautiful controller, guys. Now, guys, I gotta set you up right there. Now it's time for the big boy, the actual PlayStation. So, yeah, guys. What the frick? Okay, guys. So we got our controller. I think we only got one controller. I hope not. But if we got one controller, guys, I cannot play this game with my family. Alright, guys. I think so.
Usually comes with two.
Alrighty, guys.
Plus we got all those. Why? No, I read it.
Oh, guys. I can't open this box. Oh, did I get it? Nice. And we got new phones.
Don't worry.
My sister is calling everybody in my family, guys. It's annoying. But, yeah. Guys, the actual PlayStation will not come out. Guys, I might have to get my dad to help me. Okay, guys. Oh, guys, I'm one idiot already. Oh, guys, a video game came with it. But wait, it's the Spider-Man edition. So, guys, we got Spider-Man to play. Then we got, oh, guys, we got some stickers. Got some stickers with our PS3. We'll slip those right on, guys, right when I take her out. So just put those there, slap those right on it. And guys, is this the real PlayStation? Yes, it is, guys. So we got our instructions. And guys, we got the PS4.
Is there only one?
Yep. Yeah, there's only one remote. That's why you gotta buy some. But yeah, guys, we got the PS4. Merry Christmas, guys. I hope you enjoyed your day. Families, everybody, have a Merry Christmas. Peace out.